Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a really short and sweet tutorial on how to draw teeth. So import your reference photo. Today I'm using 4000 by 4000 pixels and 300 dpi. So above the photo layer, we are going to create a new layer, and in just a light gray, we are going to start in the middle of the teeth and work our way out, doing the outline of each tooth, each individual tooth. Slowly work your way from either left to right, or you can start in the middle like I do. It's just a habit. Get all of the teeth that you can see, even the back molars, depending on the smile you're working with, making them smaller and smaller as they go into the outer corners of the mouth. And then do the same on the bottom. This reference photo that I'm using has a girl, but I'm just going to ignore that for now and just make them normal white teeth. But if you like, I can show you how I made the girl later on. When you're finished with the outline of each individual tooth, you want to make sure they all connect up like this. So you want the top layer of teeth to all be individual shapes, but the bottom layer can all be connected as one like this. Because we are focusing on just the teeth today, I did the lips off camera. I do have a tutorial on how to create lips if you want to go and watch that. So what we are going to do now is on that teeth layer, we're going to click reference and now select a pure white, and we are going to drop in the color into the individual tooth outlines. So that is all on one layer. Now on a new layer above the original photo, in a deep red, in the soft brush, we are going to define the individual sections of the teeth. So this is going to be the inside areas of where the teeth all connect. So just really lightly dust the soft brush in between each individual tooth. And same with the bottom teeth. Refer back to the original image to see what areas of the teeth are naturally more shaded depending on their smile. Some people could have big gaps in between their teeth, so this is where you add that kind of unique features. Once you're finished with the shading, you can then drag that layer above the original teeth layer. Press clipping mask so that it snaps to that bottom layer. And then you can go back in and add some more shading. I'm just adding some beneath and in between the top and bottom layer, and also around the gums. Now underneath the teeth layer, we are going to do the gums. So color select a pale pink that is on the original photo and drag that color all the way inside of the mouth behind the teeth. Now select that layer. Refer back to the original image. I'm going to take a darker red and I'm going to put that in between the teeth and on the outside corners. Where I saw in the original photo, it is nice and dark. Work that color around the gums and on the border of the teeth. Now to highlight the gums on a new layer above the original photo, selecting a pale pink or a white. I'm just softly adding in a bunch of little small circles around where I can see the gums are highlighted. When you're finished, you can drag that layer down and merge it with the gum layer. Soften up the border of the teeth just with the soft brush, making the edges look a little bit more realistic and blended. So I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. It is super simple to create teeth. Just follow my steps and keep practicing.